Government has set aside over 1 trillion rands to address infrastructure backlog. This was announced at the two-day infrastructure conference underway in Midrand. The conference heard that with the private sector being roped in, various lagging projects will be expedited. Earlier, I spoke to Gauteng Premier David Makhura about the infrastructure program.
The infrastructure program must help us develop black industrialists. In other words, people who have passion in what they do every day and they produce specific things, they manufacture, they learn, they grow, they are able to deliver on any project that you can give them of whatever size.
Please tell us about the partnership that government is going to engage with the private sector in order to expedite all the infrastructure programs.
We are finalizing our infrastructure master plan. That will be a 30-year infrastructure master plan, which we shared with the conference here. We will launch that plan in a month's time. In fact, we are launching it in October. To be precise, we will launch the infrastructure master plan in October. But, you know, you can't address infrastructure challenges bits by bits. That's why you need a comprehensive plan. You can't address them through short-term means. And out of the infrastructure master plan, we are now directing investment in infrastructure quite properly. The cities in our province and provincial government and national government are directing all the resources that are key to upgrade and improve our infrastructure are informed by one plan. And this infrastructure needs are ranging from social infrastructure to economic infrastructure, from housing, education, and health, and social amenities, to the industrial infrastructure that you need to support a growing economy in the areas of roads, in the areas of public transport and logistics that should work properly. So those are also being attended to, both social and economic infrastructure.
There had been concerns in the past about payment on time regarding some SMMEs saying that government does not deliver payment of invoices on time, and this delays them to pay their suppliers. What is government going to do about that?
Yes, I mean, the first enabling environment is to provide a sound vision of where you are going. Business people want to invest their money knowing that, you know what, we buy this vision that these guys are taking this province in the right direction, and that we have. And the second area is to address this an environment that will get support from business. We have to be consistent in implementation, and the things we have agreed upon must be implemented. Our plans must be carried out, and that's the key thing I'm doing. This includes those who have done the work needs to be paid. Consistency of message, but consistency of action as well.
What about some companies that do shoddy work? How is government going to address some of the challenges that they have, not delivering quality materials, not delivering quality projects on time?
Those who don't deliver, who do shoddy work, must not get work anywhere in our province. So that we clear, we are consistent. If you do work, you will be paid. You have to do your work. This project must be delivered on time and on budget. And those who continue to do this must know that the government would not require anything more than just delivering on time and on budget. So that's what we are going to do. We're very keen to make sure that we build a sound relationship between business and government, and we close this trust deficit between business and government.
Can you elaborate on the money that has been put aside to address all the infrastructure projects? How have you budgeted for them?
The 1.3 trillion infrastructure project over the next 15 years is also an opportunity to train new young black professionals for us in the infrastructure area.